You eating? Show Mama how you eat. Yum, yum. So good. Oh, that's so good. Oh, are you tired now? Or did you get peas in your eye? You are so dramatic. Can you say yum, yum? Oh. Oh. What are you doing? Yay! Do you love peas? You're the world's most dramatic eater right now. Oh, go ahead. Reese, can you eat? Can you eat? Is that a no? Can Mama have some peas? Yum, yum. Oh, somebody's tired. Okay, say bye-bye. Can you say bye? Bye.